Hey tech lovers, want a stunning screen, powerful performance, and amazing cameras at an affordable price? Meet the Samsung Galaxy A34. The 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate is perfect for videos. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1080 with up to 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Triple camera, 48 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and 5 megapixel macro, plus 13 megapixel selfies. $5,000 mAh battery, 25-watt fast charging, Android 13 and 5G ready. Sleek design in black, white, blue, and violet. Water and dust resistant. Get the Samsung Galaxy A34, reliable and feature-packed. Please like, comment, and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. See you next time. Are you interested in a mid-range phone that offers flagship-level performance? Meet the Poco F6. The Poco F6 boasts a stunning 6.67-inch OLED display with a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Powered by the blazing fast Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chip, it's perfect for gaming and multitasking. Capture stunning low-light photos with the 50-megapixel main camera and take perfect selfies with the 20-megapixel front cam. Enjoy superior sound with stereo speakers and fast charging with a 90-watt charger. For about $100 more than the X6 Pro, you get top-notch performance, better cameras, and a premium experience. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. See you next time.